In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable spelling and autocorrect in Outlook. So this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to open up your Outlook app. As you can see here, then just go ahead, access File. After that, just click on Options. And after you do that, just go ahead, click on Mail. That's located right here. Then go ahead and check this checkbox where it says always check spelling before sending. You can also edit the spelling and autocorrect from here. You can add to check in grammar with spelling or other options that you can add to ignore and uppercase or ignore words that contain numbers. After that, just click on OK, and then click on OK again. And you should be all good to go. This was how to enable spelling and autocorrect. As always, thank you for watching.